If you're deep into trading and constantly hunting for that one tool that could sharpen your edge, you've definitely heard of Luxalgo. But with all the new AI-based indicators and trading bots popping up lately, you're probably wondering, is Luxalgo still worth your time and money in 2025? Let's find out. Luxalgo isn't just another flashy indicator. It's a powerful suite of tools that works directly with TradingView, giving you clean buy and sell signals, volume-based overlays, and real-time market structure analysis. It's especially great for swing traders and scalpers who thrive on visual clarity and actionable alerts. But here's what keeps it relevant: constant updates. Lux Algo keeps pushing new features like AI-enhanced signal tuning, smart money concepts, and updated trend catcher modes. It's not static, it evolves. That said, it's not a magic wand. You still need a strategy and discipline. Lux Algo helps you see patterns faster, but it won't trade for you. So, if you want to stay ahead without drowning in analysis paralysis, Lux Algo is still one of the smartest tools you can invest in right now. And that's the honest breakdown right here on How to Literally.